I'm gonna make me a sausage biscuit with cheese.
Okay, what you were 24.
And jelly. And with the biscuits. Did I say that already? I don't know. But first, I'm gonna grab everything I need to make my sausage biscuit with cheese and jelly. A little bit of olive oil. Get the pan. Get out of the way.
Leave it alone. Nothing to
Oh, you stop it. Stop talking to me, okay? Ding, 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 ding.
You don't know nothing where I come from.
You don't need too much olive oil, usually, to wet it in there. Medium high heat. See, where's that? Medium high heat. There you go. You need to see the pan, not me.
We're here to see you.
So I put the jelly on my biscuit. I love this. This is fire. You guys don't know nothing about this? Well, this is good old country breakfast right here. Sausage biscuit with jelly. Y'all don't know about this. Y'all like, oh, so yeah. Gotta try it. Shut up. Try it. Okay, so this is ready. Hold on. We gotta come over here, you know. You guys gotta learn how to make this, right? So I have to show you, man. But this is not funny, man. We're really cooking, man. Sausage fast. Chunky boom. Maybe about 5 of them. Yeah. The olive oil, delicious. I ain't make it with regular oil, I made it with olive oil, okay? Like I said, I made it with olive oil, not regular oil.
You said it a million times. We already heard you. Who you think you're talking to, man? Stop it, man. Stop talking to me.
Take you through the process here.
And I'm so sorry for the interruptions, my friend.
It's about a minute. Give it a flip. Flip. Flip it again. Again, and do it again. These things are delicious, guys. Remember, these are miniatures, so they fit nicely in your biscuit. After about 3 minutes, when they're looking like this, I lower the heat a little bit. Now, come in and drop the cheese. Now, I'm gonna drop the cheese on. Put it nicely. Put it on slim. And I'm gonna drop the cheese on there like that. Then drop the cheese on the next one, like that. There you go, my friend. Boom. I'll drop this one. What a mess. What a mess. That's what you signed up for, right?
Yeah, and we want more.
Okay.
Who's more?
This is real greasy food, but it's delicious. So we're gonna put this away. This thing came out delicious.
I'm sad and lonely.
Hey, oh.
No one wants to eat. I make a bundle of food just for me. I cook. He said that it's delicious, that it's fire. I cook for me. I make wonderful, delicious recipes. Look at him.